it gets stuck in your head that a person that enjoys the outdoors looks like this, and I don't look like that person.
There is this idea of what it is to be a person of color and what spaces you belong in. And I think the perception is that we're the urban people, you know. This is also a narrative that is false, but I think also somehow we inherit that feeling. These narratives has made us disconnect with nature.
These structures, most people are blind to them. The more the people realize that these pillars exist, the more workforce we have behind us to break down these pillars, you know?
I moved to Berlin, and then I think one of the first things I did was trying to navigate around if there are any BIPOC or FLINTA groups around the city. And that's kind of where my journey started with Black Canary.
To have all these different stories but come together and find for, I don't know, 3 hours or 10 hours, something that feels like home.
Being in each other's lives in different ways, then protect each other as well, but also exploring. You see yourself in them, you know? It does my inner soul good. Nature just always tries to bring itself to this state of balance, and it lives within us. This is why I'm able to heal myself without doing nothing.
Now a lot of us are ready to reclaim, or not even reclaim, we're just ready to exist and coexist. Yeah, we're just here.